Okay, fine. So, hi, this is Saurabh, and in this video, we'll be talking about how you're going to use ChatGPT for doing keyword research. So, you can see that this is one of my prompt which I'm using as of now. So, one of prompt which is make a list of 50 keywords in your topic niche. So, what you need to do is you need to identify your niche. So, let's say, for example, I want to create a list of 30 keywords, or let's say 10 keywords, and let's say my topic is let's say how to generate leads from digital marketing. Fine. So, I'll just copy this. I'll go here. I'm gonna say let's say 50 keywords. I'll keep it 10 as of now, just to show you keywords in let's say for example lead generation. So make a list of 10 keywords in lead generation category, and we'll click. So you can see that make a 10 list: email marketing, content marketing, social media, conversion optimization, marketing automations, and sales funnel. So these are the keywords which are very important. So if I'm creating any a lead generation content, if I'm creating a video, if I'm creating and social media calendar, if I'm creating reels, I can talk about all these things. So when we talk about 10 keywords in lead generation category: target audience, landing page, call to action, lead magnet, email, content marketing, social media. So these keywords are very important with lead generation category. This is important. So let's say if I'm writing a blog, I can start using on this, but this is just in the initial investigation what we are doing, which is important, right? So this is something very important. Go and check, put this, and try to see what ChatGPT is suggesting it to you.